Namaste everyone. Welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and you're watching 10-day systematic Pranayama practice. So let's get into it. Finding yourself into a nice comfortable position with your back straight and feeling nice, loose and relaxed. You can rotate your shoulders up and down. Release any tension that you're feeling so that you can be fully ready for pranayama practice. For a few moments, let go of all the worldly thoughts. Don't need to worry about anything. At this moment, all you need to think about is yourself and the practice that you're doing. And becoming aware of your breathing. See where it's happening now, whether it's still in your chest or now you're breathing in your abdomen. Single nostril breathing. Breathe into your abdomen. Breathe out. Breathe in. Now breathe out completely. Close your right nostril. Breathe in left. 4 seconds. Breathe out 6 seconds. Breathe in left. And breathe out left. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Breathe in. And breathe out. Change your nostril, open right, inhale right, exhale right. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Last breathe in and breathe out. Drop your hand down. Sit quietly for a while. Kapalbhati Pranayama. Breathe into your abdomen. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now breathe in fully, completely, and begin. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Second round of Kapalbhati. Breathe in. Gently breathe out. Breathe fully, completely in and begin. Breathe out. Sit quietly for a while and enjoy the relaxation. After pranayama, the relaxation becomes really quiet and peaceful. Third round. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in fully, completely, and begin. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Release and relax. Third round of Kapalbhati. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in fully, completely, and begin. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Release and relax. Sit quietly for a while. Anulom Vilom, the alternative breathing process. Your hand into Vishnu Mudra, where your index and ring and the middle finger touches the palm. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and breathe out completely, breathe out. Close your right nostril, breathe in left. Close. Breathe out right. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. Breathe in left. Breathe out right. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. Breathe in gently, slowly in left. Breathe out completely right. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. Breathe in left. Breathe out right. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. Breathe in left. Breathe out right. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. Drop your hand down, keep your eyes closed, sit quietly for a while. The ratio for these pranayama is, if you're doing Kapalbhati, that is 20 to 30 pumping, 3 sets. If you're doing single nostril breathing, that's about 5 or 10 breathing each side. So 5 inhale, exhale left, 5 inhale, exhale right. Then if you're doing alternative breathing, then you are inhaling 4, exhaling 6 or 8, inhaling 4, exhaling 6 and 8. That becomes 1 round, and like that you're doing about 5 or 10 rounds. So that's the ratio. You can also make it longer or shorter, more numbers of pranayama, more numbers of breathing and less, up depending on what level you are. I would recommend continue doing it this way, and also again each day of practice that I'm showing, practice at least for 1 week before going into the next day of my practice. Go ahead, write me if you have any question or inquiry. I will be glad to answer. Thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I hope to see you in the next video. Namaste.